You all know it.
It's kind of a love ballad.
Yeah, we're going to do a different version of it, though. In fact, this is kind of interesting because Charlie and I have never played this song together ever. And he has no idea what I'm about to do. Do you?
No. But that would make it the same as every other song.
Just like every other song. Follow me, Charlie. Hey, mama, like the way you move. Gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. Hey, child, when you shake that thing, gonna make it burn, gonna make it sting. Baby, when you walk that way, watch your honey drip, can't keep away. I gotta roll, can't stand still, got a flaming heart, wanna get my fill. Took my car, started telling her friends she gonna be a star. Well, I don't know, but I've been found all right down here now. Woman, gonna hold my hand, won't tell me no lie, make me a happy man. Thank you. All right, a little different.